Hey, what's up, fans? Welcome back to another episode of On the Other Side of the Road. I am doing this video. One little kind of thing that I'm kind of not happy about, and that's regarding Harley Davidson. So they have been sending me email solicitations. I am subscribed to their mailing service, for shirts and whatever, their the clothing stuff and everything and accessories and whatever. That's okay. But the thing is that we are not in good times right now. Looking at the website just wants to make you buy stuff, and I can't be buying stuff because, I don't know how long I'm going to be working here. I'm lucky that I am still working. Let's see how that goes. But the thing is, I'm been getting a lot of emails from Harley Davidson for shopping, and I'm like wondering, is that the right time to be sending me emails, man? Let me show you something. This is all only in March. All right, so let me So this is my email here. Now, you see it says all Harley Davidson on the left side there. So this is all their emails. Now look at the dates. They all are in March. How many are them there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 11. Now this pandemic thing started like, I don't know what, the first week? I can't even remember. 2 weeks ago. And I mean, really, there's a lot going on, and I don't need to see these emails. Instead, why don't they send me emails to see how I'm doing, and if I'm going to have a problem later down the line buying, paying my bills, especially, my loan to my Ultra Limited. So tell me, HD, if I go shopping on your website, and I get into financial problems, are you still going to work with me on my payments? Really? Or tell me, F you, I want my money. Where's that monthly payment, dude? Pay it. So that's kind of like my thing that I'm worried about. Like, why is Harley sending me these things? I'm getting so many of them in a month. I don't know that I'm going to be able to buy anything, and much less pay my loan. I still got a little bit of a substantial amount to go to pay the rest of the bike off. I think I'll be done in another year or two. I'm not sure what it is, but it's an expensive bike. I have a pretty good payment, I would say, and a good interest rate on the bike. But still, man, we're not. Things ain't going great out here. New York City is on lockdown. The only companies that are open is the essential companies, and I'm not really considered essential, even though I'm in the construction industry. And the thing is, I'm just like, why is Harley Davidson continue to send me this every 2 days? Let's see, 1, 2. I got on the March, I got the 9th twice. Then I got the 10th, 19, 21, 22, 25, 27, 20. This is all like within a couple of days of each other, some of these emails. Come on, Harley. Yo, I'm calling you out. What's up? Let me know. This is not cool. At least not to me. I'm worried about things, So, all you guys out there, you guys got anything to say, any comments, just put it down below, man. Let me see what you're saying. For those of you who are still making payments towards your bike, I'd like to know how you're handling your thing. Are you still going to be working past Easter, into Easter, after Easter, May? I don't know that I am. So I'm sure that I'm not the only one in the boat here where we're all worried about what's going to happen to our paycheck and our jobs. I got bills I got to pay, and I'm sure you do too. All right? So comment below. All right? I'll speak to you later.